Hello super lovelies, welcome back to our channel, and today we'll be making this delicious yummy looking moi moi. Yes, I've been at moi moi. So with these ingredients, this is the moi moi. I've already washed the beans. Yeah, I've washed the beans. I wash and wash and wash. I got tired. I said I cannot keep myself. I just put it inside a pot, then onion, pepper, and enough crayfish. Yes, I blended it at this point. As you can see, this is how it came out. It's time to go about the ingredients. First ingredients I added was palm oil. Yes, you must not add palm oil, but I wanted palm oil inside my own. Then I will also add vegetable oil, like you are seeing from the video. I've added vegetable oil. Then I will start stirring. You need to stir, so that some parts will not be oily and some parts will be whitish and some parts will be yellowish. That's why you have to stir very well, so it will just come out something like this. At this point, I'll start adding the next ingredients, which is salt. For taste, I beg, don't add too much salt, so that the moi moi will not be too salty. As you are adding, taste for salt. Then the next ingredients is seasoning. Just one keep. You don't need too much ingredients for your moi moi to be tasty. Just few ingredients. Beans is tasty on its own. You see this ingredient I've added, my dear, I am good to go. I am good to go. No need of flavor, no need of spices. But this is what I'll be garnishing the moi moi with. Don't mind the unshelling, no. Don't mind it though, but this is what we'll be using. So at this point, I'm done. I've gotten my nylon. This is moi moi nylon. Make sure you get a moi moi nylon so that it will have a very fine look after cooking. I sat on the floor because I don't have strength again. I had to sit on the floor to do the whole thing. As you can see, I've started putting the moi moi inside the moi moi nylon. Then egg will follow suit. Mind you, I boiled the egg and unshelled it, even though the unshelling was not looking attractive. But don't mind the unshelling, mind the moi moi. Then I'll start tying. And after which, this is how I'm going to tie it. Make sure you leave a space, just like I left mine here, as you can see. So that when it will swell, it will occupy the space you left. At this point, I'm done. I'll start introducing it into hot water. Make sure you use boiling water when you start putting your moi moi, like you can see from the video. Shake before you introduce it into the pot. Make sure you shake like the way I'm shaking, so that the ingredient will segregate. At this point, if you're not following this page or you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? What do you want me to do for you? Don't worry, after making this moi moi, it's coming at your doorstep, so that you will subscribe and follow my page. I will cover, then come back after some time to check if it is ready. I will open and see. Are you ready? As you can see, the moi moi has left the nylon. Did you see how the moi moi is looking inside the nylon? This is how you know that the moi moi is ready. Look at it. It is good to go. Come over, let's start dissecting it. If you're a returning subscriber, honestly, I love you from the depth of my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing to this page. Thank you for following my page. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always liking and sharing. You see this moi moi, it is for you. It is for you. Come over, let's dissect it with anything. You can take it with gari. You can take it like that. You can take it with pap. Thank you for watching. I love you.